Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. This is your first time here. My name is Udoh, and every week I share content to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you so much for joining me today. Today's topic, we'll look at the reasons why the rich are getting richer. As you all know, we're all coming out of this health crisis and countries are beginning to open up. Things are beginning to go back to normal, but we still have situation now in the United States where most people are not going back to work because the government had programs and stimulus checks that were sent to people and incentives to help people during these crazy times. So now people are feeling more comfortable, more relaxed, so they don't want to go back to work. So employers are having issues right now in the United States. I don't know how it is where you are in finding employees to come back to work because they can stay home and get checks from the government and not go back to work. Unfortunately, what people don't realize is as time goes on, the longer you stay out of the workforce, it becomes very competitive and it becomes more difficult for you to get back and assimilate back into the workforce. So, which brings us to this topic. Every year we keep hearing the rich are getting richer, the Forbes 500 or the richest people in the world, and the rich are getting richer. There's a reason why the rich are getting richer, and I have 7 reasons why. Now, the first one is the rich know how to provide value. Okay, the rich know their worth, they know what they're worth, and also they provide value to the marketplace. When I say provide value, they have businesses, they offer services, and they provide value to the marketplace. So what the marketplace wants, the rich are always there to provide, what's needed. And in return, they get compensated. All right. Number 2, the rich know how to over-deliver because the more you deliver products and services, the more money you make, which is why the rich get richer. The rest of us are consumers. We're always consuming. We're going to the mall, we're shopping online, we're doing all this stuff, but we're not doing anything to get rich, which is why the rich over-deliver, and that's why they make money. Number 3, the rich invest in themselves. They invest in seminars, they invest in their health, they invest in books. The rich are constantly improving their skills. Unfortunately, the rest of us, our education only ends with our degree from our schools, and that's it. For most people, they never pick up another book after they're done with school. But the rich constantly read. They read the right books. They go to seminars. They go to masterminds. They spend money on themselves. Unfortunately, most of us don't do that. And that's what gives the rich an advantage, and they get richer. Number 4, the rich are consistent. They're consistent with everything they do. So consistency is the key. If you want to be rich, you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent on what you're doing, whether it's saving money, whether it's in your health, whatever it is, you have to stay consistent. So consistency is the key. Number 5, the rich know how to network. So a rich person is constantly networking with people that he can work with, that people that can help them achieve their goals. It's not just a one-way street, it's a give and take situation. So the rich are always looking for ways to network with people, okay, to see if they can come up with, like joint ventures and things like that. So your net worth is determined by your network. So your network of friends, who are you surrounding yourself with? I once heard that, you're the average of the 5 closest people you have surrounding you. So who do you have around you? Who are your friends? Okay, who do you associate with? That will determine what your net worth will be. So your network determines your net worth. Okay, that's number 5. Number 6, the rich invest in income producing assets. most of society invest in liabilities, or I hate to use that word invest, because when you invest in a liability, it's not really an investment because you're throwing away your money. A liabilities take money out of your pocket. Assets put money in your pocket. So when I say invest, the rich invest in income producing assets such as real estate, such as gold, such as precious metals, okay, stocks, investment properties, businesses, whether it's virtual or brick and mortar. So the rich are constantly deploying their capital to make more money for them. So that's how the rich get richer, because they invest in income producing assets. They start businesses. So they have multiple streams of income. So if you want to be rich, you want to do what the rich do. Okay? So these are things that I'm studying. These are things that I am reading about on how the rich are getting richer. And I'm on that journey as well. And I want to bring you with me. Okay? And finally, number 7, the rich know how to protect their assets. So they spend the money to get professionals who help them with asset protection. Okay, so these are the 7 things that makes the rich get richer every single year. All right, so let's summarize it again. Number 1, the rich provide value. Number 2, they over-deliver. Number 3, they invest in themselves. Number 4, they're consistent. Number 5, they network. Number 6, they invest in income-producing assets. And number 7, they protect their assets. So those are the 7 key things you need to keep in mind if you want to be rich. All right, I'm on this journey as well, and I thank you for coming on this journey with me. And I appreciate all my subscribers, and I thank you for all your feedback. I thank you for your comments, and thank you so much for being here and helping grow this channel. My goal is to share as much knowledge as I can with you all, and to also show you what I'm doing in my personal life, okay, to escalate and move me to the next level. So I appreciate you all being here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content, and also hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. So thank you again for being here, and don't forget to watch the next video coming up. And remember, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and I'll see you at the top. Take care. Bye-bye.